Good day everyone, I am Zaira Hidor, and for today's video we are going to talk about the beautifulness, the amazingness of the word communication. So what are you waiting for? Let's start! As we all know, communication is everywhere. It can be done by two or more people. In communication, we need two sides to hear, the sender and the receiver.
There are a lot of ways to communicate, but the transactional way would be next.
There are lots of types of communication. Self-talk is an example of intrapersonal. Did you turn off the light? Oh no, did I turn off the light? Have chicas with friends for interpersonal.
Public communication happens face-to-face. The best example of this is a teacher having face-to-face discussion with her students.
Also, one type of communication is mass communication, wherein informations are presented by the mass media, and a news report is an example of that.
If we are going to talk about the function of communication, policies in schools are one of the examples for control and regulation.
Uy, ba't man yan?
Mag-vote lagi ka!
Ba't kasi nandun pa yun, men?
Mag-vote din sila!
That is one of the examples for the emotional expression.
Okay ra na girl, kaya tinanong fighting ra dito girl. Kaya ra tinanong girl.
And that situation would be a very good example for one of the function of the communication, which is for motivation. So if we are going to talk about the barriers of communication, it is something that hinders the communication and being relied properly. So an example of that is physical barrier, wherein it is very natural. So an example of that also is the noisiness from the people.
Ay! Yes, I'm okay. Okay.
Or from the vehicles. Hope you learned something from our video. I'm Zaira. I'm Anamea.
I'm Jo.
I'm Rhea.
I'm Yeshua!